Need to restore your Garmin GPS data from a BaseCamp backup? BPN files contain your saved waypoints, routes, and tracks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore and manage these Garmin BaseCamp backup files. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic BPN file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. BPN files are backup files created by Garmin BaseCamp, the free desktop GPS data management application. They contain backed up collections of GPS waypoints, routes, tracks, and adventures organized in the BaseCamp library structure for protecting your GPS data against loss and transferring collections between computers or BaseCamp installations. Garmin BaseCamp BPN backup files use a proprietary compressed format, packaging GPS data collections with waypoint coordinates, route path definitions, track log point sequences, and organizational folder hierarchy. The format preserves all GPS data attributes, including names, symbols, elevations, timestamps, and custom data fields. Most installations default to associating Garmin BaseCamp from Garmin Limited with BPN. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows can't load backup images or sets, so specialized software is needed to review them. Your first step in isolating the problem, right-click the BPN file and select Open With. If Garmin BaseCamp is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. If your BPN file is not opening yet, that is normal. The problem with this BPN file isn't complicated. It's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, restoring in BaseCamp. Launch Garmin BaseCamp and select File, then Import to load the BPN backup file. BaseCamp imports the contained waypoints, routes, and tracks into your library, recreating the original folder organization. Verify the restored data by browsing the imported collections and checking that all waypoints and routes appear correctly on the map display. Next, transferring to GPS devices. After restoring BPN data in BaseCamp, connect your Garmin GPS device and use the Send to Device function to transfer selected waypoints, routes, and tracks from the restored backup to your GPS unit. This enables using your backed up navigation data on the device for outdoor activities and navigation. Finally, converting to GPX. For universal GPS data format, Compatibility, export BPN backup contents from BaseCamp to GPX format using File then Export. GPX files can be imported into Google Earth, other GPS applications, and online mapping platforms. This provides a portable backup format that is independent of the Garmin BaseCamp application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.